let's take a look at the metric system. And having some computer problems, so having to recreate this. But and I kind of got my computer jerry-rigged, so hopefully this works fine. Now we got a way of remembering how everything goes, and King Henry, and these stand for the first letters of each stand for something, so we'll see that. King Henry doesn't usually drink chocolate milk. Mom. So King Henry doesn't usually drink chocolate milk. Mom. First letter of each. This is K, H, D, U, D, C, M, and the important one over here is this one. These don't mean anything for us. Now the U stands for unit, and there's three main units we'll see here. One of them is the meter, and that's M. And let me get rid of that dot. That's just M. And then grams. That's G. And then liters. That's L. Now we can, each one of these represents something a little bit different in terms of measuring meters, distance, so forth. So those are units. Now here would be like 1 meter. Now we go over into this side, and the D stands for deca. And this would be like the tens place, like 10 meters. Over here, the H stands for hecto. And the K stands for kilo. Now we're going to find that these right here are prefixes. So these are what goes on the front of these words, like kilometer, kilograms, hectoliters. Now this right here is the tens place, this is the hundreds place, this is the thousands place. So this is 1,000 meters here. Now going over on this other side, this is deci, and that's tenths. Like this is a tenth of a meter. And again, the same thing. This is a prefix that goes in front of these. And this is centi, centimeter. Now you don't usually put the dash there. That's just indicating there's more that's coming. This is 1/100th of a meter, of a gram, of a liter. This next one's milli, 1,000th of a meter, or gram, or liter. And then this over here is microgram, microliter, micrometer. Microgram is about all we work with in here. Now these have their own extension here, or symbol. Sorry. This is K, this is H, and this is DA. This is D, this is C, this is M, and this is MC, or this weird looking symbol right here. That's a Greek symbol, that's mu. So for example, if I want to write down centimeters, 100 centimeters, I do 100 cm. You take the C off of this, and you take the M off of this meter, and that's how you form your abbreviation. Book goes into that in a lot more depth and so forth. We're going to just look at how to change from one measure to another. So converted from centimeters to meters, for example. Pretty simple Simple idea. So let's take a look at that. We've got 0.3 liters. And we want to change it to milliliters. King Henry doesn't usually drink chocolate milk, Mom. Well, let's put a dot where we're at. Liters is our unit, which is right here. Milli, I should have this up here, I guess. Milli is right over here. So we want to move to this right here. So we're going to move our decimal place 1, 2, 3 places to get over there. Now when I'm moving it there, you don't put it in between the letters. So it's right underneath the U here. First one goes underneath the D, then underneath the C, and then underneath the M. So that says we're going to move our decimal place 3 places to the right. Okay, so I got 0.3 here. There's 1, 2, 3. So this would be the new location of our decimal. Well, in these places that where there is nothing, we have to put zeros. So that would tell us that 0.3 liters is 300 milliliters. And that'd be our answer. Let's look at our next one. We've got 0.35 grams. And we want to convert that to milligrams. King Henry doesn't usually drink chocolate milk, Mom. Okay, we're in grams, which is our unit, which is right here. We want to go to milli again. Well, milli is right here. So move 1, 2, 3 places to the right. So here's my decimal place. Move it 1, 2, 3 places to the right. So that's where my decimal place is going to be now, and we have to put a 0 here since there isn't a digit there. So this would be 350 milligrams. Okay, we got 23 milligrams. And we want to convert that to grams. Grab a drink here. Let's see. King Henry doesn't usually drink chocolate, Mom. And every book probably has their own little saying of this. This book, I think, has something about the dog or something like that. I don't know what they used. Kiss hairy dogs, but drink chocolate milk, Mom. So, whatever works for you. Milligrams. Well, milli is right here, so that's where we're at. We want to go to grams. Grams is our unit, which is right here. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3 places to the left. So if I were to put a decimal place on the 23, it'd be right here. 3 places to the left. So 1, 2, 3. So that's where our decimal is going to be. And of course we need to put a digit here to account for that missing one. So this would be 0.023 grams. Let me start a new page. We got 9.3 liters. I took these problems out of the book, but I just changed the numbers. You'll find it's heavy in certain types. It's because some of the types you never see in nursing. Some of the conversions. Let's see. King Henry doesn't usually drink chocolate milk mom. Okay, so we're at liters. That's our unit, our base. We're going to milliliters. Well, here's the milliliters. So go 1, 2, 3 places to the right. So here's our decimal place. Now we'll move it 3 places to the right. So go 1, 2, 3. This is where our decimal will be, and I put zeros for the missing digits here. So this will be 9,300 milliliters. Here we have 7 kilograms. Equals blank milligrams. King Henry doesn't usually drink chocolate milk mom. Kilograms. Well, that's clear over here. And we want to go to milligrams. Well, milli is right here. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 places to the right. If I were to put a decimal after the 7, it'd be right here. So we want to move 6 places to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What did I say? I'll wake up here eventually. Let's try it again. How many places did I say? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I don't know where the 7 came from, but let's try it again. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is where our decimal place will be. And we have to put zeros here for those missing ones. Now when I say put zeros, see where the curve part is? It should line up right with the middle of the lowest part of that curve. If that makes sense. What was that? 7 million. So 7 kilograms is 7 million milligrams. Let's see, 0.003 kilograms. Metric system is pretty nice. When you start doing your conversions like this, and once it clicks with you, you love it. It's just like, this is the easiest thing ever. Let's see, King Henry doesn't usually drink chocolate milk mom. Okay, kilograms is right here. And we want to go to grams, which is right here. So from kilograms to grams, grams is our unit. So we go 1, 2, 3 places to the right. 3 places to the right. 1, 2, 3. Decimal place would be right here. And it would be just 3. You drop off the leading zeros. So it would just be 3 grams. Let's see, 14. You know, I'm getting excellent performance off of this. I don't think I'll even get my I screwed up my USB drives, or USB plugins, I should say. Excuse me, on the front of my computer. And I only had enough plugins in the back for my mouse and the keyboard. Still not quite what I need, but oops. King Henry doesn't usually drink chocolate milk mom. Okay, we want to start in milligrams, which is right here, and we want to go to grams, which is our unit, which is right here. So we'll go 1, 2, 3 3 places to the left. So here's my decimal. 1, 2, 3 places. This is where my decimal will be, and I'll put a 0 for that missing digit. So we're going to have 0.0142 grams. Start a new page. .72 milliliters equals blank liters. King Henry doesn't usually drink chocolate milk, Mom. So milliliters would be right here. We're going to liters, which is our unit, which is right there. So go 1, 2, 3 places left. 3 places left. So 1, 2, 3. This is the new location of our decimal. And I'll put a 0 here for this missing one. So this is 0.02172 liters. See, 90 centimeters. I want to change that to millimeters. King Henry doesn't usually drink chocolate milk, Mom. Centimeters. Here's centimeters, and here's millimeters. So I want to go one place to the right. Well, if I were to put a decimal place, it'd be right after the 70 there. So one place to the right would be here. So that's our new location of our decimal. And I put a 0 here for this missing one. So this would be 700 millimeters. 3.12 grams to kilogram. King Henry doesn't usually drink chocolate milk, Mom. Grams would be right here. I'm going to go to kilograms. That'd be right here. So we got 1, 2, 3 places to the left. So 1, 2, 3 places to the left. This is my new location of my decimal, and I put zeros here for those missing ones. So I got 0.00312 kilograms. Excuse me. So we got 500 micrograms equals blank milligrams. Okay. King Henry doesn't usually drink chocolate milk, Mom. Now micrograms is clear over here. And we want to go milligrams, which is right here. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3 places to the left. If I were to put a decimal here, it'd be right here. 3 places to the left. 1, 2, 3. So that's a new location of my decimal. And we drop off trailing zeros. So this would just be 0.5 milligrams. Or 0.5. Let me start a new page. 70 meters. We'll convert it to millimeters. King Henry doesn't usually drink chocolate milk, Mom. Okay, 70 meters. Meters is our unit. We'll go to milli, which is right here. So I go 1, 2, 3 places to the right. So I have 70 here, and if I were to put a decimal, it would be right there. So 1, 2, 3 places to the right. This is where a decimal would be, and I put zeros here for these. Well, that'd be 70,000 millimeters. $320. I'm not very up on the abbreviation for micrograms. MC. Anyway, I'll just write out micro. Micrograms, yeah. And we want to convert that probably to milligrams. That would just be mg. Okay. King Henry doesn't usually drink chocolate milk, Mom. Micrograms is right here, and again, milli is right here. So go 1, 2, 3 places to the left. If I were to put a decimal, it'd be right here. 3 places left. 1, 2, 3. This is the new location of our decimal. So it'd be 0.32 milligrams. We drop off the trailing zero at the end. Got 0.0235 milligrams. And we'll convert that to micrograms. King Henry doesn't usually drink chocolate milk, Mom. Okay, milligrams. Milli is right here. Micro is right here. So we want to go 1, 2, 3 places to the right. Well, 3 places right. This would be 1, 2, 3. So this is the new location of our decimal. So we'd have 23.5 micrograms. We drop off the zeros at the beginning. Let's see, 5 kilograms. And we want to convert that to grams. King Henry doesn't usually drink chocolate milk, Mom. Okay, kilo is right here. We want to go to grams, which is our unit, which is right here. So kilo to units. 1, 2, 3 places to the right. If I were to put a decimal here, it'd be right there. 3 places to the right. 1, 2, 3. That's the new location of our decimal. And we put zeros here for these missing ones. So this would be 5,000 grams. And last problem, let me start a new page. .12 meters. And we want to convert that to centimeters. King Henry doesn't usually drink chocolate milk, Mom. Well, this is meters, which is our unit, which is right here. We want to go to centi, which is right here. So go 1, 2 places to the right. So we'll go 1, 2. And this is the new location of our decimal. So this would just be 312 centimeters. And that is how you do your conversions on that. Very nice way just to do this going across the top here, and then just see how many places you move it.